If you're thinking, why would I listen to someone with zero clients? I'd say that's a fair question. This video exists to answer those obligations before you raise it. Because having no clients and having no capability are two different things. This is for founders, operators, and people who's building their own real business and care about decision quality, not appearance. And yes, I'll explain why I have zero clients right now and why that doesn't disqualify my work. Quick context: I am Mohammad Mushur and I work in UX, web strategy, and conversion based design for B2B businesses, personal brands, and service based businesses. I've been practicing and studying this space for around 2 years. Why I have zero clients right now? Number one, market trust is not equal scale. So the main reason I have zero clients right now is perceived risk. For early stage founders or businesses, hiring someone young feels risky, regardless of their skills. This is not an emotional one, this is more like a rational one. Age is a filtering mechanism. When I was 18, my age filters me out immediately. And for 20, it filters some people out also. That doesn't mean they're wrong. That means they're optimizing for clarity. I didn't optimize for fast ESS. I didn't pursue short-term client acquisition strategy like generic outreaches, underpricing my services, or presenting myself as available. I did none of them. And that choice alone gave me enough time to study UX, user behavior, buyer psychology, and web design strategy paths. That's not theory, that pattern recognition. What that means for founders and operators. If you are a founder or operator watching this, here's a real takeaway. You shouldn't ask someone how many clients they have closed. You should ask someone how they think. Because at the end of the day, their thinking strategy, their thinking process is the thing that is gonna benefit your business more. If you are a personal brand owner or a business owner or an operator and your website isn't converting well, then the first stop shouldn't be redesign. It should be diagnosis. Why would I say that? Because first, before you redesign, you have to know why your website isn't working and what are the part that is working for your website. For when you redesign, if you accidentally change that part that is representing your brand or working for your business most, then this entire investment will be a waste. If not, the redesigners make that part that is working for your business more better and more conversion focused. That's why I focus on audits, reviews, and strategic analysis before execution. If you're unsure about if your website is converting or helping your business grow, then there is a free audit application below, and details are in the description. You can apply it for free, so you can apply it right now if you are confused. Having zero clients doesn't mean having zero value. Sometimes it means someone chose to build depth before visibility. If you have any question, you can ask me down on the comment box. I'll read them all and try my best to answer them all.